Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I will give some hints about the null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis. As we have solved two questions in previous video, and I have already explained this. What is the difference between the null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis? In previous two questions, question number 1 and 2, in both questions, the null hypothesis is given, alternate is not given. So in any question, the null hypothesis may be known or given, alternate unknown. Number second, null hypothesis may be unknown, alternate given or known. And number third, both may be known. Number 4, both may be unknown. In previous video, in question number 1, the value of the null hypothesis is given. In second question, value of the null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis both are unknown, but the statement indicates the null hypothesis. So how we will decide the given statement or given value represent the null hypothesis or alternate hypothesis? As I have already explained, the value will be same. In first question, the value of mu in H0 and HA both are 10. In second question, both are 0, because if values are unknown for testing of hypothesis for mean, we suppose the mu equal to 0, because this is our assumption in testing of hypothesis. The data is normally distributed and the mean of the normal distribution is 0. Same as the standard deviation is equal to 1. This is the property of the normal distribution. So the most important thing, how we will decide. The statement represents the null hypothesis or alternate hypothesis. So these words indicate the null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis. This is the hint for selection of the value or statement or condition of the null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis. So these words indicate the null hypothesis. If suppose in first question the statement is clearly given, test the hypothesis. Test the hypothesis. Test the hypothesis indicates this is the statement for null hypothesis. Null hypothesis is given. Test the claims. Population value indicates, parameter value indicates, research indicate, previous data indicate, on the basis of research, on the basis of experience or experience indicate. These words indicate surety, 100% surety. So any surety or surety indicate the null hypothesis, because claim means claim depend on the large experience, large data. Hypothesis, the order is given here, test the hypothesis. So any surety indicate null hypothesis. And any question represent the alternate hypothesis. Question means this statement is a represent the question, is it possible? This is the interrogative sentence in English. it is true or not, this is also represent the question, and sample information of previous study. Previous data indicate represent the population value, previous research, and with the help of any research, any experience, any research, any experience, previous value indicate the surety. But sample information of previous study, suppose if you select the different sample from the previous study and then use for testing the hypothesis for the current population, so sometime we can use the sample information of the previous study for the next or coming value, next or current population. Does this suggest, indicate or not, this is question, is this in line? This is the question. So these words indicate question, not surety. So question or not surety indicate the alternate hypothesis. If both are given, surety with question, suppose the question is in line with the manufacturer's claim, the average weight will be equal to this. So question and surety both represent null hypothesis. Okay. So with the help of, this is the hint for null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis, value will be same but condition will be same, because alternate hypothesis is a parallel setup of the null hypothesis. If the statement of the null hypothesis is equal, we represent the equal sign. If this is equal to, this will be not equal to. At least, minimum, represent the greater than or equal to. If this is greater than or equal to, this will be less than. Because it is a parallel setup of this. If this is given known, you can write the alternate. If alternate is known, you can write the null hypothesis. If both are known, we will decide which condition represent null hypothesis and which condition represent the alternate hypothesis. If both are unknown, we take equal to or not equal to. Okay. So now I am giving some question for homework from your book. The first homework of the testing of hypothesis for mean, chapter number 10, page number 316 of Walpole book. Question number 5, this is the hint for the question number 5. In this question is same as the question number 1 of first video. In this question, H0 is given and you can find the sample mean, X bar, standard deviation S from 10, N is 10 given observation, alpha is also given. The same as the 100% same as the question number 1. And question number 6 of same page, in this question H0 and HA, alternate and null, both are given. So you can decide according to this statement. H0 is given in first 4 lines. In this question you have 8 or 9 lines. In first 4 lines, research indicate the null hypothesis. In last 4 lines, indicate the question about the result of the sample data in last 4 lines. So sample mean and standard deviation, N and alpha, all are given in this. Substitute in formula, you will obtain the T calculated value and T table value from the T test table value. Next question, question number 7. In this question, H0 is given same as this first question number 5 or first question number first of the previous video. H0 is given, sample mean, standard deviation, N and alpha, all are given same as this. Alternate is not given. Alternate is a parallel setup of the null hypothesis. So you can write, if this is equal to, this will be alternate not equal to. If null is less than equal to, alternate will be more than. If null is more than equal to, alternate will be less than. So read carefully these 3 questions and try to solve question number 5, question number 6, question number 7. Next time we will start confidence interval for population mean for same condition and testing of hypothesis for variance sigma or sigma square variance or sigma standard deviation. Okay, Allah Hafiz.